Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the ratio. So now I want to show you how to answer. A mixture contains milk and water. We have the ratio 8 over S. If we add 3 liters into 33 liters of the mixture in here, we have the new ratio that is about 2 over 1. So now I want to show you how to answer. After we add 3 liters of the water in here, the total, the new one, that is about number 3 plus 33, and that is about 36 liters. So because the volume of the milk does not change the volume because we just add about the water only. So that means we can find the volume of the milk. That means we also find the volume of the milk before we add the water in here. So we have 2 over number 1. So 2 plus 1, that is about 3. So we have 36. We divide by 3. The ratio of the milk over the water, that is about 2 over 1. So we divide by 3 parts. Later that we multiply by number 2. So we can find the volume of the milk. And this one we have 24 liters. So before we add the water, this one they keep the same. So we have number 8. We have the total mixture in here. That is about 33. So we can find the volume of the water. That is about 33 minus 24. And this one we have number 9. Now we have the ratio between the milk and the water. So the milk we have 24. The water, that is about number 9. 24 divided by 9, we can simplify by number 3. So 24 divided by 3, we have number 8. So 9 divided by 3, we have number 3. So this one, that is about S. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.